Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve Microsoft Visual Basic Error Runtime Error Code 482 Printer Error. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. You want to open up the Start menu, type in Printers, select Printers and Scanners, select Add a Printer or Scanner. So it may be able to pick out the printer automatically. You would want to make sure the printer is on when running that check. If you still do not see it on here, you can select that the printer I want is not listed. Alternatively, if you go online and search up your printer, the manufacturer likely has a utility that will download and install whatever set of files are necessary. So you may want to just try that by Googling. May have a website for that and just go directly onto the manufacturer's site and go ahead and download that driver software. Otherwise, you just go through this utility here and just manually search for it. So again, pretty straightforward process, guys, so don't try and make it too difficult for you. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.